standing at one of our most recently installed projects, and I wanted to give you the walkthrough because it's one of my favorites, honestly. The client is still working on getting her furniture together, but it combines all of the elements that everybody needs in their perfect outdoor space, and that is water, fire, and plenty of gathering space. I designed this nice, large patio space for this client. This precious cocktail pool was already installed into this space, and so we wanted to make sure that we were adding on to something that was already here without making it feel like it was add-on. And so I came up with this idea to do a mix of faux turf and tile, and then transition it over into a solid paver patio. So these are actually the same material. This is Riviera stone, which is locally made here in the Mobile, Alabama area. And this is Riviera stone, and it transitions over into solid Riviera stone. I designed this simple brick fireplace that is wood burning, and it has lots of storage for wood on either side. I love the symmetry of it, and I also love this mantle that goes above that allows for the client to decorate for the holidays, and anytime she has gathering or guests, the client can add a little bit of personality to the fireplace of her own. Another thing that was really important to me was to add this nice wide step coming off of the existing deck to allow for plenty of flow of traffic down into this large outdoor living space. You can see how much room there is for chairs and tables and a sectional without it feeling crowded, and that's really important that you have plenty of walking room around all of your furniture so that people can kind of gather in groups and not feel like they're shoulder to shoulder and it's a pinch for space. Just imagine being able to sit here with your family and your guests underneath these sweet little twinkle lights with a roaring fire going. Even if it is the deep south, we have plenty of nice cold days to be able to utilize a fireplace like this, and to sit and listen to the sound of the waterfall as you're sitting in that space. It's just perfect. Cocktail pools are so popular right now. They're the perfect space for a small yard, but they're also perfect for people who are homeowners that don't have children or a lot of activity happening, and they just want to kind of sit there and just wade in the water and not splash and dive. These are super popular right now. We're installing a lot of cocktail pools in 2024 and even more in 2025. We added a lot of simple plantings around the edges. We have shishi camellias, lomandra, and then these beautiful crepe myrtles were already existing and really add to the structure and just frame out the space really beautifully. And just imagine seeing this as you're looking out the back window of your house. Even when you're not out here using this space, you're really able to enjoy it, just the sheer beauty of it. I mean, who wouldn't want to come out into this space if it's peeking right outside your window and you're able to just walk out and enjoy it anytime you want? We made sure to also add above the storage, we wanted to add some seats here for extra guest seating. I also love that we added some seating on top of the wood storage so that we can have even more space for people to take a seat whenever they're visiting this homeowner's backyard and their patio space. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, be sure to comment below.